Sorry about that, guys. Anyways, welcome to CatkoolScratchYT. I watched Hyperwasp 843's tutorial on how to make an intro and outro in Canva. In which case, I have a new outro. Which case, there's a chance I might get rid of my old videos and make new ones with the intro and outro. But I'm not sure if I am going to do that or not. Guys, let me know. Also, I'm sorry if you can't hear me as well. The air conditioner's on, but I'm hot. Anyways, today we are going to learn how to make Catkool on Scratch. In which case, here's Catkool here. Please ignore the fact that I'm coughing. Been sick the last couple of days. But anyways, gotta go and make hover over this and then click paint. Paint a new sprite. In which case, you're going to start by clicking on this tool, circle, which case you want it outline. 5 is pretty good. In which case, the fill color needs to be orange. It will not be the same as Catkool, which is okay. Try to. Whoops. Let's try that color. In which case, you're going to use the circle tool, circle tool. You want to hold shift down and form your circle. That's good. Then you don't have to hold shift down for this part, in which case we're making arms and legs. Just copy and paste this 3 times. In which case we'll put those on later. In which case we're going to work on a face right now. In which case, get a pink color. And hold down shift and make a pink nose. Make it bigger. Then we're going to make a white circle. Whoops. Don't know how that happened. But you want the nose to be in the very front layer, okay? I'm going to kind of fix that a little bit. That's let me move this down a bit. In which case, copy and paste. Want the nose to be in the front again. In fact, I think I'm going to make the eyes a bit smaller. They're a bit too big. Make the eyes about this size. See it here? Okay, that looks good. Hold on, you want the nose to be a little bit smaller, actually. But anyways, now we're going to actually duplicate this again. In which case, make it smaller. And replace the fill color with black. Have the pupils. If you want to make different Catkool motions, I'll show that as well. In which case, then duplicate this black dot and put it on the other eye. If you absolutely want to, you can go ahead and do this, but we're going to be serious right now. Have her normal expression. Hold on, let me try and adjust that more. In which case, I'm not sure if this is going to be Catkool's final design or not, but I'm planning on working with this for now. Maybe I'll make a different design for her, but then you want to take the pen tool and draw this mouth shape. It should look like a W. Hold on, I need to get it just right. I can never seem to get that mouth right. Not unless I copy and paste another mouth. No, I don't want to move that. Oh dear Ward. I hate when it does that. Anyways, once you have the mouth the way you want, you can do other mouths too, but this is the main one for Catkool. You can do that, or you can do that, but don't do whatever. Wait, just do not do that. Do not draw that mouth, whatever you do. Because it doesn't look right, and Catkool does not need to be as wacky as Goofy or whatever. Wait. No! Then, you want to do another circle. Outline. Make this. Oh, but then click on this second thing. And then move this down and this down. There. Now it should look more like an ear. I don't really feel the need to sharpen the corners that much. They're sort of fluffy. Technically. Hold on. Let me widen them a bit more. If you want Catkool to look like Catkool, it's best recommended to do wider ears. You also want them to kind of go down a bit. Kind of like that. No, wait, no. Actually, then we're going to place the arms legs out. You can have them at any pose you want. For now, I'm going to have one of her arms raised up and one of them down, one her leg. In which case, I want her legs to like do that similar pose that Catkool does on my profile picture for YouTube and Scratch. If you want to use any of my Catkool pictures as a reference, I'm okay with you doing that. In which case, I do have a 100 followers drawing contest going on. You can only participate in it if you are following me on Scratch. Maybe I'll do a subscriber special if I reach a certain amount of subscribers. I want to try and reach 50. In which case, you guys really need to subscribe. I'm actually I lost some subscribers. I went from 36 to 28. Please subscribe. I really need that. I want to get to 50. And once I get to 50, we'll do a 50 subscribers contest. I mean, maybe more is a subscriber special or something. Maybe guys, give me some ideas in the comments for a subscriber special, and we can do that once I reach 50 subscribers. We're almost finished. I think it looks done, right? Well, it's not done yet. Why? Because we need the tail. Do a squiggly line like this. Yes, something like that. Doesn't look like way right now, but close enough. Actually, something more like that. You know what? I'm gonna copy and paste. If you guys can copy and paste too if you want, but please give credit. But anyways, hold on, that doesn't look quite right. Down a bit. But there's Catkool. Doesn't look similar. It does look. She does look pretty similar to this drawing I just now did. It looks pretty similar to this one, but yeah. Got that? All right. Now I'm going to show you how to do different expressions. Duplicate. This is Happy Catkool. What's name's costume? Happy. Hoppy. I'm going to do sad. In which case you're going to have her sitting on the floor or standing up. You know what? I want her standing. But I want her kind of like tilted. Put her tail down a bit so it's almost like touching the ground. In which case, if you want, you can make her eyes big. We'll just make them bigger. No, please don't make them Please don't make her cross-eyed like that. In which case, get rid of that smile, because if Catkool's sad, she shouldn't be smiling. You can make a sad face. Pretty good looking sad face. In fact, I'm actually going to just quit selecting the dang ways, okay? Get out of here. You're done. You're done. Just hold shift. Shift. Let's raise it back, y'all. Okay, no. Just trying to plug like that. That's a better face. Oh yeah, don't forget to add the eyebrows. Okay. Make one eyebrow, duplicate it, flip it horizontally and place it there. In which case, no one requested me to do this video, but I want to do it anyway. So in case you want to participate in my 100 followers drawing contest, you can see what. Oh no. I can't make videos longer than 15 minutes. Why? Because if you want to make videos longer than 15 minutes and have custom thumbnails, you need to verify your phone number. I'm not doing that. But before this video ends, take a blue, make it thick like Skittles, and make some tears. Unless you only want her to just look sad and not actually cry. But I'm gonna make her cry for now. Aww. Poor Catkool. But that is part 1 of my tutorial. I'll see you guys later. Bye!